sweet baby. That's my sweet baby. Yes, there is. Giving me sugars this morning. Yeah. Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great day today, and I hope my camera doesn't fall off that tripod. Anyway, I'm just having a quiet morning here, and that is so unusual in the summertime. Normally it's noisy, and I'm never by myself. So today I find myself alone. I have a couple hours before I have to take my mom to the doctor. And I got up this morning and I scrambled myself some eggs and drank some coffee. And I'm sitting here thinking about all the things I need to be doing. We always have a list of things that we need to do, don't we? But I thought I could be productive. I think I'm gonna go in there and do some freezer meals. I didn't finish cleaning up my kitchen last night. I don't know what happened. I started cleaning up the kitchen and then I guess I got sidetracked, so my kitchen's a little messy, so I've got to tidy up my kitchen. And I think I'm gonna do some quick little things like maybe some breakfast burritos and maybe some chicken taquitos. And I think I'm gonna shred some chicken and put barbecue in it, so they'll have those for sandwiches. I'm always looking for things in the summertime to have, you know, something quick that my family can just pop in the oven and fix quickly. So I think I'm gonna get to that. And if you'd like to see that, come along with me. I normally clean as I go when I'm cooking supper, but apparently I didn't do a very good job of that time, did I? I have to admit, I was not in the mood to clean up this morning. And sometimes when I'm not really in the mood to clean though, it helps if I get my dirty dishes out of the way. Once I get my dirty dishes out of the way, I feel like I've done something. Sometimes like if I'm cleaning the bedroom, if I make my bed, that'll kind of jumpstart me to clean something else. So if I'm not very motivated, I have to do something little to get myself going. So this morning I started with the dishes. So right here, you're about to see me switch from the medium tortilla shells to the smaller ones. And I did a few of each, and you're gonna notice that the smaller ones are a little bit harder to roll and wrap, but you see me putting them in a damp napkin here. Whenever you go to to roll them up, they're easier if you first put them in the microwave for about 20 seconds in a damp paper towel. Just wrap them in a damp paper towel, and that way they're softer and they don't break on you. I freeze these, and whenever I'm ready to eat one of them, or however many, I just pop out however many I want. I preheat my oven to 400 and I cook them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Don't forget to write what they are and put the date on them. So you'll notice I'm in different clothes. I left to take my mom to the doctor after I did the breakfast rolls that I did, the breakfast wraps, and I thought that I would finish when I came back. On the way back, which we stayed at the doctor for a long time, y'all know how that goes. When I came back from dropping off my mom back at her house. I was on my way home and I was behind a terrible, terrible accident. I was not directly involved in the accident. I pulled into a gas station, and right after I pulled into the gas station, got out of my car, a truck hit an SUV and knocked it towards my car, and it spun, it hit the gas pump, power poles went down, there were explosions, and it was just terrible. And then I realized that the driver of one car was actually a girl I went to high school with. She was okay, just extremely shaken up. But then the man in the other vehicle was not okay, and I was there for a long time. I couldn't get my car out. I ended up being there for a little over an hour, and it was just a terrible experience, and it really, like, just totally messed me up. I just, seeing that poor man and them trying to save him, it just, you know, it just upset me really bad. So I had to come home and just totally regroup. So I had to take a break, drink some coffee, and just change clothes, regroup, and start over. So I'm starting over, and I have chicken on, that's my ice maker. I have chicken boiling to do the barbecue chicken, and then I'm gonna do the taco flavored taquitos, chicken taquitos. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So hang there with me. I used 1 package of taco seasoning with this. My husband has cancer, so he can't really handle things now that are very spicy, but you can put more if you want more. You can use any kind of cheese you want. My daughter likes the sliced cheese. I pull these out frozen and also bake them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Say hey, Randy.
Hey, Randy.
No, say hey, normal.
Hey, normal. Hey, how y'all doing? Hope you enjoy my wife's creative videos.
This chicken was so tender, it was just falling off the bone, and the bones were just falling apart. I decided not to freeze the shredded chicken so that we could go ahead and make barbecue sandwiches with that now. Thanks for watching.